Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to ignore or restrict group chat on Messenger. First of all, you need to open the Facebook app. After opening the Facebook, click on the Messenger icon from the top right corner. Then click on See All in Messenger from the bottom. Now the Messenger is opened. Click to open a group chat here. Then tap on Privacy and Support from your right hand. Now here you can find the Report or Mute Notifications option. Then click on Mute Notifications. And choose the Mute Message and Call Notifications option and press OK. Then choose the duration to mute notifications as until I change it. Then press OK. Now, as you can see, you have muted the group notifications. Then click on three dots from the group and here click on Archive Chat. Now the group chat is archived. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.